Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Good morning. Good morning. Let's, what else did I want to do? Give everybody a couple minutes, that's for sure. And then we'll start making this watch list for the day. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades, and let me know in the chat. Yes, let's get it. Let's get it. Alrighty. Let's see. Been hitting the gym, hit a bag. That's what I like to hear. Today is my first official day day trading futures. So hopefully we catch a nice little futures bag today. I honestly didn't really like how the options were moving yesterday, so I just didn't even take anything. The options literally did not move at all. Even like SPY in the morning, I was looking at the options, and from this little bounce that I had right here at this 50% retracement, fair value gap and all that, this whole move up, those contracts only moved like it wasn't even $10 off of that move for the contracts, which is like, it was just, yesterday was not a good day to trade options, in my opinion. So yesterday we had that slow grind up all day, right? Can anybody tell me why we had a slow grind up? Anybody? Who can tell me? We'll wait and see. Why did we slowly grind? Opening up that monster for the morning. What's up, JJ? Who can tell me? Nope. 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 Not even low volume. There you go. Bearian Bulls got it. Right? So when it comes to supply zones, remember, we talked about this supply zone. Head on over to ES. We had this massive supply zone right here. From, started on the 4-hour, right there. We rejected it once. Go to the 3-hour. We had 3-hour supply inside of 4-hour supply right there. And inside a 4-hour supply, or inside a 3-hour supply, we had 2-hour supply. All these are sell orders. This entire area is sell orders, right? Does it mean that we're going to go up into the supply zone and reject it? No. Right? There's no signs that this thing wanted to reject at all. So more than likely, if we're going to grind out this supply, it's just going to be a slow, steady, go through the sell orders. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. So there wasn't enough sell orders. There was more buyers. That's why we slowly just made our way through. And then eventually we grinded through it. They short covered and it actually ended up being the top. And then they pulled back. That's how I'm making sense of the market yesterday and the slow grind. So now that we finally cleared that massive supply zone, I don't got nothing. I got no rejects. So you see we came up into it this day right here, hit that 3-hour supply. We dumped out of it. And then yesterday we finally just took it all out. It was the same thing with NQ. So they were both in huge supply zones. Same thing on NQ. You can see this was the 4-hour, 3-hour started here, and then we had the 2-hour right there. We finally cleared it yesterday. Saw a nice little rocket to the upside, and now we're holding above it. So that, in my opinion, is why we slowly grinded yesterday. Let's see, let's clean this bad boy up and see if we can find some setups. But let's also get live for the people on TikTok, for the whopping like 10 people that joined there. I'll be nice to them. Go live. Day trading live. Cool. All right. I mean, yesterday was one of those days where, again, we slowly grinded up, but I had a contradiction on the opposite side of the market. Huge supply zone. I don't want to be trying to go long into supply. So because I have two different viewpoints of the market, that's not a clean setup. Therefore, I don't take a trade. Thank you. I try my best. All right. So let's start with ES. So again, we grinded out that entire supply zone. No longer have supply. I believe we're trading at all-time highs on ES. SPY is very, very close. But as far as, let's see. Yeah, so we're holding above that decently. Let's see, fib extensions here to here. Boom. Weekly. That was our last clear-cut pivot high, pivot low. Boom. 127 is at 48.91. So if we clear yesterday's high, I'm going to look for a continuation. So let's break it down to a 4-hour. Again, we already broke that. We do got some demand down here. Not like a huge demand point, but could be a small little bounce. I like it a little more on the 1 hour as well. Have a nice 1 hour squeeze. We're holding that structure. So, I mean, if we made our way down here, then I'll look for a bounce. But as of now, I'm really liking the overall structure that we have right here. We're holding that 1 hour 21 EMA, nice 1 hour squeeze. If we hold it, there's a good chance that the squeeze fires up. And what is today? Today's Wednesday. There's no economic news either. So, could be a slow day in the market. But yeah, I like this 1 hour squeeze. No good supply zones over here. Only thing I'd watch for a bounce would be down here. And also, let's see, what was it? I guess we would take this low, that low to this high. We got very close to that 50. Turn over to SPY real quick. I mean, some people might have taken there to there. I'd prefer to use here to here. So if we stayed below yesterday's low and made our way down to 48.17, I'd like that. And then demand. But we already pretty much bounced that. So it's everything I'm watching on ES. Pretty simple. Break above 48.34.5 for more continuation. We got room. I mean, there's literally nothing blocking this. Welcome to the channel member squad, Andy. I appreciate your support. Thank you for supporting the channel. Also, I do have I'm dropping a futures video this weekend for you all. And other thing, who's going to be in New York for the Team Bull meetup? Anybody? So there's a decent amount of you that signed up for the list. I'll be in New York if you're there. But yeah, that's everything on ES. Let's go to the 30-minute real quick. Nothing on the 30-minute. 15-minute. Nothing on the 15. Cool. If you're in Team Bull, J-Dub put a thing up. It's for Team Bull members only. But Yeah, if you're there. Or if you're in T-Bull, he put it up. So that is everything on ES. SPY. Same thing, 1 hour squeeze, 1 hour orange dot squeeze, actually. Ooh. But 457.68, if we clear that, look for more upside. As far as a bounce, I would be interested as long as we held below yesterday's high. I'd be willing to watch like 475 to 475.2 and then 474.88. So I like that. And then again, same thing would be the bounce down at ES demand. So 271618, boom, boom, boom. What are we trading at? 470. I mean, we break yesterday's high, it's a straight shot into all-time highs. So where do you join Team Bull? So Team Bull is currently closed. The only way to join is going to be through the wait list, and I can give you the wait list link real quick because we are more than likely going to open up spots before the end of the year. So there's a link right there if you want to hop on the wait list. But I will be willing to meet up with other people. I'm going to be doing like a bunch of YouTube videos while I'm there. So if you're in New York City, New Year's Day or New Year's Eve, my bad, the 31st, hit me up on Instagram. We can do you can be part of the YouTube video. But let's see, we're holding above that high. Try to crack that high. Let's see, what was this? Last week's high. That's week high. Make it orange. There we go. Cool. But yeah, that's everything I'm watching on SPY. Bounces down there. Uptrend entry, 1 hour squeeze. Looks good. QQQ. SPY all-time high is 480. Or 479.98 if you want to be exact. Two years. I like it. All right, let's see. QQQ holding above that previous high right there at 410.50. As long as we hold that, willing to look for more upside. Again, nice 1 hour squeeze. If we got a pullback, I'd be willing to watch 410.18, 409.85 for our bounce. But crack above 411.56, look for more upside. We're trading above all-time highs, so we got to rely on extensions. Already past that 127, so the next stop is going to be that 1618. Cool, pivot high, pivot low. I mean, I'm sure we already destroyed all these. All right, that 2618 could be a price target as well. Cool. Awesome. So that's all our levels today on QQQ. And then we just got to do it for NQ, and then we can take a look at individuals and make a list. So again, same thing. We're holding above that high right there. I'm looking for a bounce. It's going to be right here. Getting very close to that 1618. And for the people that are on TikTok, make sure you head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm also live streaming over there. Plus, I have over 800 plus free videos on my YouTube channel, teaching you guys on how to trade. So if you're not subscribed over there, you are missing out. Random trades. Boom. Cool. That's everything I'm watching on NQ. Further pullback, I'd watch that 1 hour demand, but it's got room. Definitely has room. But yeah, we're starting to get into that market where we got to rely on extensions. And remember, we're trading at all-time highs, so you can't just take a random line and say, hey, this is where we're going to go. You have to rely on extensions. There's literally nothing else that you can use besides maybe person's pivots to get price targets up here. So, yep, I got my real-time data on TradeOvate. Still have to set it up on TradingView, but it's not needed. But either way, I'm hyped. Today's gonna be the first day trading with it. I'm all set up, and like I said, I'm gonna do a bunch of futures videos for you guys coming up. How to set up TradeOvate, how to actually the account details and all that. I will tell you, when they ask you what you do for an occupation, do not put day trading, because they're going to ask you 100 different questions about it. So don't do that. But cool. That's everything on NQ. Let's flip through the individuals and see what we can find today. Oh, did you do the same thing, Jadon? They literally asked me another 5 or 6 questions and then took forever to process the application. Don't put day trading. All right, so I'd be willing to watch Apple if we got down towards 192.10. You can see we bounced at 50%. We held it decent. So if we got down towards 192.10, I'd be willing to look for a bounce. So pull up the Discord real quick. All right. Like Apple for that potential bounce. AMD breaking above these highs. What are we at? 144.85. I mean, I'm not really seeing any rejections on AMD. All right, we hit that 127 last week, 143.63. We're above it right now. I mean, this doesn't look bad for an uptrend entry. So possibly AMD, we'll see. Amazon. I believe we talked about this yesterday. I like that 4-hour squeeze. Whoops. What is today? Today's Wednesday. We could potentially do a butterfly on this. Maybe like the 155, 160, 165. We'll see. But I'll definitely put that on the swing trading watch list. Amazon. Could also be a fun stock to day trade when that 4-hour squeeze fires, if it's up. So, can continue to watch that one. Good morning, Morris. Boeing, don't care about. Coin, don't care about. Costco, don't care about. CRM, don't care about. GLD. Got a little ascending triangle right here if you want to watch GLD today. There's a little flat top. Trend line. Boom. Watch for that break of like 191.90 if you want to watch it. Looks pretty good for a continuation. Google. Let's see. If you guys got questions, feel free to ask. Google don't care about. IWM. IWM doesn't look that bad for like a 204 bounce. Got yesterday's close, the 1 hour 21 EMA, plus we're going in and out of that 1 hour squeeze. So that doesn't look too bad. Plus we're holding above that 200. Right above that resistance. Yeah, next we got a pretty big like previous support turn resistance level up here towards like 208 to 209. But that doesn't look too bad for a bounce. I would do a butterfly. Typically when I do butterflies, it's on stocks like Meta, Microsoft, Tesla, like the bigger companies, the day trading stocks that I trade. And plus it's got to be a lower time frame analysis, because typically I'm not going to go, you know, 30 days out, 60 days out, just because premiums are super expensive on those kind of stocks. So I'll take advantage of like a 1 hour setup or a 4 hour setup and do a butterfly. Meta. Still would be very interested if we got down towards the 4 hour 21, but that's at like 352. So if the market pulls back, maybe I'll flip over to Meta and wait. But as of now, nothing there. Microsoft. Still watching the daily squeeze. Continue to keep that one on your radar, especially if it does fire out. We could see a very nice move. Netflix don't care about NVDA. I know Grizzly caught a nice trade on NVIDIA yesterday. But nothing that I really see. Kind of just went into this flag and it started to break out in the pre-market. So skip over that. PayPal, don't care about. QQQ, we already looked at. Shopify, don't care about. Do I mainly stay cash or just go long? I just wait for a setup. No setup, no trade. Tesla, still in that weekly squeeze. Actually, it's trying to fire up. But Tesla did break this trend line right here and held above it last week. So I personally like Tesla for more continuation, especially if the market's strong. What are we trading at? 258. This is 259.88. So I mean, if we cleared that high, I'd be interested, but not right now. So as far as individuals, I like Apple, AMD, IWM. Those are my favorites today. So let's wait till 8:30. Once 8:30 rolls around, we'll narrow the list and finalize levels. So any questions you guys got for the next 4 minutes? Anybody in the YouTube live stream or TikTok live stream? What you guys got? Any stocks you want me to look at? I mean, as far as how much money to start trading futures with, I mean, there's not a certain amount, to be honest with you. Like, I'm sure there's some kind of minimum that you got to put in, but or MES. There we go. We're back on the TikTok live. But I mean, you can start with a couple thousand, few thousand, 5,000. It's really up to you. It's just what are you comfortable with? What DTE for options do you usually trade? So now I do 0 DTE for like the first hour, and then after that I'll go to the following day if I'm trading Inspire QQQ, but now I'm doing futures. So but yeah, if you're trading options, that's how I do it. Carvana. You and IWM don't mix well? Carvana, let's see. I'd say your best bet. Let's see, did we retest 50? Yeah, I remember when I hated 0DTE too. Crazy. I mean, we already tested 50 over here. You can watch that for a possible bounce again. It's just going to be a little lower probability. If anything, I'd like to see Carvana test that daily 21 EMA. That's personally where I see risk to reward, the best risk to reward. So that's where I'd watch. Obviously, the 21 EMA is going to move on the daily, but yeah. Let's see about baby fibs. Boom, boom. Yeah, plus you got that 50, that 50% retracement around 50, and then that 61.8 is right at that daily 21. So that's what I would watch for Carvana, SCHW. I always go at the money when trading options. SCHW. See, I mean, if it cracks 71.50 of that room again, if you're looking to go long, that daily 21 EMA would be your best bet, just because we haven't tested it since way over here, which was almost a month ago. So that's what I would watch personally. But you could try to look for an uptrend entry in the meantime. Looks good though. Set that higher high, did a higher low over here. Maybe it pulls back, sets another higher high somewhere in this area. Definitely a few different areas we could bounce. That's for sure. Always at the money. Or like it also depends like where am I getting in? Because if I'm getting in SPY at, let's just say 478, I might just go with the 478 calls, which are basically in the money at that point. So that's last week's high, this pre-market high. So I'd go with the 478 or 479. If we're at like 478.40, then I'll just go with the 479. So it also depends on where price is. Darn. Also, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, you want this watch list, make sure to run up them likes. You guys know the drill. If you want it, run it up. As far as Moderna, I mean, we're sitting right at an area of previous support. You can just see it eyeballing it, this entire area right here, from like 97.3 to 98.50. So also, I don't even know if this thing's got liquidity. The 100 calls do. Decent amount of liquidity, tight spreads. So, I don't know. Personally, I'd be a little iffy about trying to go long in this area. Could have just blasted through it, of course. But you can just eyeball it and see it. Pretty strong level here. So, that's what I see. Cool. No, I would never buy a call and a put at the same time. Personally, I know people that have strategies where they do that. That's just not my strategy. All right, let's go through and narrow this list. We got ES. And again, real quick for the people who are on TikTok, if you did not know, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Braden Trades. I'm live every single morning over here. Over 850 plus free videos teaching you guys on how to trade. So if you guys are ready to run it up in 2024, make some serious money trading, highly suggest heading on over to my YouTube channel. Again, 850 videos, free live streams every single morning. So if you're not subscribed, you are definitely missing out. Now, as far as finalizing levels, again, we pretty much already hit the bounce area that I'd be watching for ES. If we went a little lower, staying below 48.34, then I'm willing to watch this 48.17.25. And then after that, we got demand down here. But nice 1 hour squeeze, crack about 48.29.25. I'll just look for the push into here. And then if we clear here, then it's pretty much free sailing from there. So everything on ES is good. SPY. Again, same thing, crack there, look for the move into there, nice 1 hour squeeze, get above yesterday's high, we have a lot more room. Bounce 475.2 all the way down to 474.88. It's personally what I'm going to watch. Let's see, NQ. Crack above yesterday's high, look for the continuation. If we stay below yesterday's high, then I'm looking for a bounce here and here. But if we break above there, we got a lot of room. QQQ. Same exact thing, break above yesterday's high, look for the move up. 412.70, 415, 416.18, and then bounce 410.18 all the way down to 409.85. So that's everything on QQQ. And then as far as individuals, I like Apple. If it could get a little lower, we do kind of got like this little wedge right here, but looks like 192.10 is going to be the area for a bounce. Prefer if we got down there today. So I like Apple. And then AMD. Good morning. I might just watch AMD for an uptrend entry. It's super strong. And again, IWM, if you want to watch this, you can. I like that like 204 area. Yesterday's close, 1 hour, 21 EMA, but prefer AMD and Apple. I got no idea who that is. Let me look him up real quick. I've never heard of this guy. Anyways, all right. Cool. Let's get this bad boy typed out. Good morning. Alrighty. SPY. Using ES levels. Today. What's up? Above 34.5, looking for more upside. If price holds below, I like a bounce at 48.17.25. QQQ using NQ. Awesome. Using NQ levels today above 17.111.25 for more upside. Holds below. I'm watching 17.048 and 17.033 for a bounce. Apple watching 192 or 192.10 for a bounce. See if I remembered the level. There we go, 192.10 for a bounce. And then AMD, super strong, looking for an uptrend entry. Cool. Got it all typed out. Let's give it the Team Bull YouTube channel members as well. And if you guys are in the YouTube live stream and you want this watch list, again, just make sure to hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds to do so. Helps the channel out, and I will give it to you guys. Okay. Yes, we could talk about silver. Absolutely. Hold on. All right. So, if you're in Team Bull, you got the watch list. And then if you're a YouTube channel member, you got the watch list as well. I think 2 people became YouTube channel members today. I didn't see the second guy or second person. Don't want to assume it's just a guy. Could be a girl. But it says we got 2 new members. I don't see the other person. Either way, congratulations on becoming a YouTube channel member. I appreciate you. Cool. So, silver. Like I said, that's my #1 leap setup going into 2024. Still just waiting. We have to wait for the monthly candle close. As long as we hold above 28.20 or like 28.30, wherever that monthly 21 EMA ends up being. So we got what, 3 more trading days. On Friday we'll know if this is good for the leap. But main thing I'm waiting for, hold above that 21 EMA, get the stochastic buy signal, which we're getting very, very close to doing so. So if we can get that, doing my leaps on this. And then ultimately aiming 25, 29, 27, and 20, 28. So right now just in the equity, but looking to go. They have 0 DTE on silver. Are you kidding me? Bro, what? When did they do this? I think I just found my my degenerate option chain. 0 DTEs on silver that moves. How much does this thing move a day? It moved 18 cents yesterday. You're telling me that people do 0 DTE on this thing? You gotta be joking. Anyways, join from TikTok. Let's go. But yeah, sorry, I got distracted. Probably looking at the July expirations, the $24 calls. Actually, we might have to go with the 23s, but either or, they're like $165 or $132. Like they're super cheap, and we get 205 days of time. I didn't know they actually added it though. That's crazy. But yeah, probably July, maybe September. September seems to have a little more liquidity in it, plus the $25 calls are fairly priced. So I like this a lot. Yeah, there's a weekly squeeze too, but that monthly is just looks really good. Plus, even looking at the quarterly. So we shall see. It looks good. Cool. But yeah, that's my #1 leap setup. Plus, I'm still holding like 3 contracts of uranium. Maybe that'll bust through 30 today. Let's pull up the swing count. I still have like 1.7K unrealized in this thing. Uranium, 1.8K unrealized. The contracts are up 250%. And the equity is up 35.3%. Nice. But yeah, still holding. I want to see if we can bang through that 30. Yeah, I might roll it. The only issue is they're so deep in the money. We had the $25 calls. But, I mean, we got another buy signal yesterday. Nice daily squeeze. We already tried to crack 30 twice, so we definitely took out sellers. The monthly still looks prime for more. I think we're going to test 31.6. I want that 300%er. That's what I want. The official 300%er. But, yeah, might have to roll. Maybe roll into the 30s, but I don't know. I don't know if rolling would make sense in this situation. Might just, for me, it might make sense just to exercise the 3 remaining options and then sell the equity, or do like covered calls against it. So sell calls. I don't know. We'll see when time gets closer. But uranium looks like it definitely wants more. I tell you what, you guys hit 110 likes, and I'll give you the watch list in the YouTube. Almost done with the first book. Second one should be here tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Question for you, Corey. Are you real estate, Corey? Are you the guy that I know? Because we got the same name. Yes, I use Bookmap every day. Every single day. I already got it open. Absolutely. Yes, I did spy. Yes, I did. The actual like button, not the hearts, the actual like button. And again, for the people that are watching on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I have over 850 plus free videos teaching you guys on how to trade. Plus, I go live there every single morning, and I will be uploading a bunch of futures videos going into 2024. So if you're looking into futures and you want to learn more about it, I got videos on the way. But yeah, Brandon Trades on YouTube, verified as well. Be sure to check it out. Okay, you're not real estate, Corey. Never mind. You're not allowed in here anymore then. Yes, Bookmap has helped me a lot, significantly. I've been using Bookmap for a little over a year now. Every day. You just got to learn how to read it. Boom. I know, crazy. 15 viewers on TikTok. We're famous out here. TikTok used to be a vibe. To watch the rest of the bootcamp videos, you got to be a YouTube channel member. That's where you can get the rest. So I'm affiliated with Bookmap, so they give it to me for free. So I lucked out with that one. But yes, you have to pay for Bookmap. If you want to check it out, though, I do got an affiliate link for you. Check out the data packages right here. Yep, I have like, I'd say 3 or 4 videos on Bookmap. Let's see, Brandon Trades, Bookmap. It's actually one of the first things that pop up when you type in Brandon Trades, Bookmap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5. 5 videos on Bookmap. What we got? We got 106, 4 more. My voice going out. Can't let that happen. Can't let the voice go out yet. I'm excited to trade futures today. Yes. Yeah, no, I got a lot. 2 more likes, so you guys get the watch list. Yeah, Bookmap is definitely more advanced. I really only use it when I'm trading SPY or QQQ. So if you're newer, it's not something I would use, but once you start getting a little more advanced, then it's something I would definitely look into. Bang, there we go. Cool. Head on over to my YouTube channel and just click join. You gotta do it when you're on desktop though. That button right there, join. Alrighty, let's give you guys this watch list, and then we will be on our way. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. SPY, QQQ, Apple. And remember, no A+ setups, no trades. You sit cash and you wait. You don't have to trade every single day. And AMD. So that is everything I am watching today, ladies and gentlemen. So as long as you guys are good, I'm good. Again, if you guys are watching in the TikTok, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. 850 plus free videos, free live streams every single morning. Can't go wrong by checking it out. But cool. Everybody good? Ready to run it up today? Hopefully make a bag. Of course. Yes, sir. I will talk to you guys here in about 10-15 minutes in Team Bull. If you guys aren't in Team Bull, then I'll talk to you tomorrow, bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. And again, if you're not on the wait list already, make sure to take 5 seconds, fill out the wait list. We will be opening spots very, very soon. That is the link to that. Everybody in TikTok, if you want to join Team Bull, trade live with me, that is the link right there. So everybody have a great day. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Peace out.